To enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, we want to proceed to connections, and then you might be able to find Wi-Fi calling over here below the Wi-Fi option. And then you can turn it on for each SIM that you have active. In some cases, you can also find calling preferences where you can choose either Wi-Fi or mobile network. If you don't have Wi-Fi calling option in here in connections, you can also check the control center or quick settings. In this expandable area, you might be able to find Wi-Fi calling option in here. So of course you can tap on it in order to be redirected to the Wi-Fi calling settings. Also, you can try finding Wi-Fi calling option in the phone app. If you go to the phone app, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you can go to settings. And sometimes you can find the Wi-Fi calling option in here as well, just like I have it in here in this case. So you can check this out as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.